Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a focused environment. Install Python 3, 10 plus and pip, then create a virtualenv so dependencies stay clean. Once done, pick an Italian neural TTS model that supports expressive prosody and download the weights. This matters because neural voices handle micro-inflections that create brain rot vibes. Next, collect 3 short sample lines embodying the intense, repetitive tone you want. Make sure to save samples as UTF-8 text, so accents and special characters remain intact. Now you fine-tune or condition your model to capture the Italian brainrot style. Convert your textual samples into a phoneme-friendly format, IPA or the model's Italian phoneme set, to reduce mispronunciations. Then, either fine-tune with 10-30 minutes of labeled styled audio or apply style tokens if the model supports them. This teaches the model the pacing and emotional intensity. While training, iteratively tweak pitch, speed, and breath markers to create slight micro-variations, so repeats feel obsessive but natural. Finally, render test lines and listen critically. Generate at 22 kHz and 44. 1 kHz to compare clarity versus warmth. Once done, apply light post-processing, de-esser to tame sibilance, a gentle dynamic EQ to emphasize mid-range, and a subtle reverb to add closeness without blurring. If you hear mispronunciations or robotic repeats, troubleshoot by checking phoneme mapping, lowering the fine-tune learning rate, or supplying more styled data. Make sure to iterate. Small changes in prosody make the biggest difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.